Hi, everybody. This is Leslie Fordham, real estate agent with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I am here today in Kissimmee, Florida. We're taking a look at the Creekside homes by Ryan Home Builders. I am inside of the Century floor plan. It has right at 1,500 square feet. This is 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with a 2-car garage. So let's take a look. So this is the outside of the Century model here at Creekside Homes by Ryan Home Builders. This one is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It is starting at $284,999. So let's go inside and see this lovely floor plan. We have 1,500 square feet of living space, which is the perfect size for a family. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths coming in here through the entryway. It's pretty high ceilings. Love how everything just kind of flows right from the front to the back. I can literally see directly out of my patio door right from the front door. That's fantastic. Great feng shui. So we have our laundry room right here off of the front door. Straight through there is going to be your 2-car garage. Coming into your dining, kitchen, living room combination area. Right here off of your kitchen, you're coming into your bedroom corridor. So we've got bedroom number 1 here is set up as an office space. And if you are coming out of an apartment or a townhouse and you have just been craving that additional room for office space, this is definitely the way to go to get yourself into new construction at a great price. And a great community. The HOA fee here is only $80 a month. Every single location, home site, has no rear neighbors and has a lake view, which is fabulous. It really goes a long way when you're looking for, to get away from the noise of the city and just, have a peaceful life with your family. So this is that 1st bedroom corridor. And we're back into our living space, into the kitchen area. Stainless steel appliances. Ooh, look at that sink. I love a good, nice, deep single sink. It really makes my day. Makes cooking a lot easier. Pantry space. Every house also has, along with that lake view, a cover lanai. Perfect way to relax in the shade and enjoy your investment. So now we're coming into the master. Master bath here, right off to the right. Plenty of space for your king size bed. Your master bath. Dual sinks. So here is your storage closet here in your master suite and sectioned off water closet, toilet area, toilet. So let me know what you think, y'all, of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath century floor plan model here at Creekside by Ryan Homes in Kissimmee. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. I really love this floor plan. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for coming along with me to take a tour of the century floor plan here at the Creekside Homes in Kissimmee, Florida. This one again is 284.9, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. I'm Leslie Fordham. I'm with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. If you have any real estate that you're looking to buy or sell in the Orlando area, please give me a call. I'm at 407-676-4110. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye.